One of the things that I really took from the seminar that was just really stuck out in my mind was making the business and our customers personal and showing them more about who we are and our family, because we're family owned and operated. And I think allowing our customers to relate to us and letting them know more about who we are, really creating that connection and making them feel like they know us when they come in. That's one of the biggest things that I took from the seminar.
Coming into this market brand new, needed to reach out to customers that may have never been in the store. We knew what we had for the market capacity, and it was just for us getting them in the store to see who we are and what we do.
You helped us come up with a campaign for a Thanksgiving coupon with a $15 offer. So it was very enticing for the customers to come in and get $15 off their purchase with no minimum purchase.
We had a very short amount of time to get that done, and you guys came through on that for us, which was huge.
We had over 500 coupons turned in, and 75% of those customers were not in our database because when they used the coupon, they had to be in our system. So we were entering them in at that time. Our average sale was $75 on the 500 people that had come in, so they spent $75 over and above the $15 offer.
I just had our rep here from Harley-Davidson, and he was telling us that this was just an awesome month for our store, and I think we were ranking number 2 in Wisconsin for motor clothes sales, which, you know, is pretty big when you're considering the markets that are out there. And we were in the top 10% in the nation, so that was a huge boost for us. I know that there was a lot of new customers that came in, a lot of new faces from a lot of areas that we were reaching out to. A lot of compliments from people that just came to the store for the first time, which was our goal. We need to get people here to see what the store is about, and hopefully they come back, and I think they will.
We had an event coming up where we had a Harley-Davidson artist to sign autographs and showcase his art. With your idea, we sent them a let me know either way email, and I got hundreds of people responding thinking that Eric Vandervest had sent them an email personally from him, and they were responding letting us know if they were coming or what their plans were. And then I was able to respond back to them and create a conversation. It was really cool.
You know, I got a lot of compliments from customers that came to that event that they thanked me personally for sending out that email, inviting them to the event. And it was really just that personal touch side of it again. That was something that we'll continue to use a lot of for our events.
I think no matter what the business is, when we went to your seminar, you were working with people just off the cuff with ideas that you had, and I think you guys can help, whether it be a restaurant or a hair salon or a chiropractor. I think you guys can have some ideas for no matter what kind of business it is to help generate leads and generate traffic into their stores.
I'm really impressed with the timeliness that you guys offer. Anytime we reached out or had a question, you responded quickly and thoroughly. Very impressed with the way you guys come up with new and creative ideas. I'm looking forward to future projects that we can put together, and I see a successful relationship between both of us.